The first known drone attack in Pakistan was carried out by the United States in June 2004, targeting a suspected al-Qaeda compound in the tribal region of North Waziristan. The attack was conducted using an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, armed with missiles, and it reportedly killed several militants, including a senior al-Qaeda leader. After this initial strike, the U.S. carried out several more drone attacks in Pakistan, mostly targeting suspected militants and their hideouts in the tribal areas along the Pakistan-Afghanistan border. The use of drone strikes in Pakistan became a controversial issue, as some Pakistani officials and civilians criticized the attacks as a violation of their country's sovereignty and for causing civilian casualties. According to estimates by non-governmental organizations, hundreds of civilians have been killed in drone strikes in Pakistan since 2004. Although the U.S. has maintained that the strikes are necessary to target terrorists and that every effort is made to avoid civilian casualties, the use of drones for targeted killings has been a subject of much debate and controversy, with critics arguing that they are illegal under international law and that their use undermines the rule of law and human rights. Proponents, on the other hand, argue that drones are a necessary tool for targeting terrorists and minimizing harm to civilians in conflict zones. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.